Feeling like your desktop is as chaotic as this? Imagine turning it into this. Hi, I'm Barnett from ITCubed, and today we're tackling how to customize your desktop workspace to boost productivity and bring order to your digital chaos. Stay with me. I'll show you how widgets, shortcuts, and personalization can help you work smarter and stay focused. Let's dive in. Start with widgets. They keep essential information like calendars, tasks, and weather at your fingertips. On Windows, press Windows key and W to explore widget options. For Mac, swipe right with 2 fingers to access the widget bar and click Edit. Add what you need and remove distractions. Widgets help keep your priorities in view, saving you from constantly switching between apps. Less toggling, more doing. Tip number 1. Use widgets to track your calendar and tasks for better time management. Shortcuts are your best friend for instant access. Right-click any file, app, or folder and select Create Shortcut and drag it to your desktop. For Mac users, just Command, Option, and drag. Organize them into folders like Work, Personal, or by project. Fun fact, the average worker spends 2.5 hours a week looking for files. Shortcuts can reclaim that time. Think of shortcuts as your desktop GPS, quick, direct, and frustration-free. Finally, make your desktop visually appealing but functional. Choose a clean wallpaper, nothing too busy, and arrange icons in logical groups. On Windows, right-click the desktop to access View settings. On Mac, use the Finder to adjust arrangement options. Tip number 2, declutter by hiding unused desktop icons. Right-click your desktop, select View, and uncheck Show Desktop Icons. A personalized workspace keeps you focused and motivated. When your desktop reflects your workflow, productivity soars. To recap, use widgets to stay on top of tasks, shortcuts to save time, and personalization to stay focused. With a few simple tweaks, your desktop can become a productivity powerhouse. Thanks for tuning in to IT tips, tricks, and hacks. Found these tips helpful? Hit like, share with your team, and subscribe for more tips from ITCubed, where we make IT work for you. Stay sharp and see you next time.